Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to go over some of the reasons why your Etsy store might not be getting any sales. So let's waste no more time and let's get straight into it. So here is store number one. So just take a look at this before I do any scrolling and see if you can spot the problems with this. Right? Okay, they've got 8 sales, a couple reviews, 5th of April, 17th of April. Wow. They've had 3 reviews in, 3 months, you know? So just take a look. Have a little look at this. See if you can spot the reasons I'm going to point out to you. Okay. First one, thumbnails. Right? Take a look at what is this? What is this? I haven't got my magnifying glass. I can't see. You know, here, Gamer Boy, we go gym, like cat over husband. What are they trying to achieve? Who are they trying to sell to? What are they trying to sell? Like, look at this one, minimalistic t-shirt, couple sweater. If your store looks like this, please scrap it all. Join the Discord and follow the first store strategy. Please, please, please. Okay, so let's open up some of these. We go gym tank, couple sweatshirt, minimalistic, and this one. Right? The title is where you want to give the product a name and use keywords. Right? So this is a gym tank top. Right, it's for working out, it's for exercising, it's for running, it's for lifting weights, it's for cardio, right? It's for Pilates, it's for your boyfriend, it's for your husband, okay? This is what all needs to be in the title, right? Not just we go gym tank, okay? This thumbnail is not the best. I mean, it's better than some of the others they have. It is, you do want a use case thumbnail of the product in the wild, right? You don't want this. This would be a terrible thumbnail. You want a background, right? Description. There's no sales pitch in this description, okay? It's just copy and paste from the supplier telling you very basic information about it, right? People need a bit of a sales pitch. They need talking to. You know, we give very good examples of this in the Discord, and I have done on previous videos, so I'm not going to go too much into that. But yeah, so you need to sell in the description. So this can either come in 18, 17 days, or it can come in nearly 2 months, right? That is terrible. And I'm paying £12.66 for the privilege of waiting 2 months for a tank top that says "We Go Gym," made in Canberra on. Dispatches from Australia. Lovely. Okay, so the only good thing about this store is they do have a couple reviews, and this thumbnail here is decent. It's not a thumbnail I would use, but it's decent. Now the same again here. This, you can't really see the graphic on the preview, right, on the thumbnail. So you want to zoom in and you want to clearly show it. But this thumbnail, it just looks terrible. This design just looks terrible, okay? Then again, it's the same title, couple sweatshirt. Where's the keywords? Who's it for? Where's the sales pitch? Yada, yada, yada. Valentine's Day, bit late. Same again here. They've just writ any old crap in and they've just thought, oh, Etsy seems really easy. Let me just list this shit, right? Let me just list this crap. Boom, 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 right? Oh, I'll make loads of money. No, it doesn't work like that. And again, you're paying for the privilege, and apparently this one ships from the US. Okay, so they've got these options. Apparently that one's sold out. This looks terrible, terrible setup. And what? It's only in black, and you've got this design in here, and you can't pick it. Right? Okay. Okay. It hurts my head. It hurts my head. Then same again here. Same under the description. Wow, what's the point in that? It's the back of a white t-shirt. Cool. Now this is why I found this store, okay? They are trying to sell a product that is already extremely popular, extremely saturated. No one's going to buy this, right? Why is someone going to buy this from this dead store when there's thousands of other actual established stores that probably sell this with much better quality, a much better mug, much better printing? And again, the thumbnail is just a white background. Okay, and what's this? What is this? It hurts my head. Okay, they've done a bit better on the thing here, but still awful. Awful again. Awful. Awful. Apparently this one dispatches from Germany. Okay, so this is the store again. Look, there's no niche to this store. Every listing will have its own algorithm to know who it's to push to, but guess what? It builds up over as a store as a whole. So if your whole store follows the same audience and same niche, it means you can get repeat sellers, it means you can cross-sell, it means the Etsy algorithm picks up your store audience as a whole, right? So you really want to stick into the same niche and stop just listing random crap. Now this here, this is an example of someone who's done Shopify dropshipping before, been told Etsy is amazing, thought he could use what he knows on Shopify onto Etsy, and it just does not work that way, right? So here's a portable blender. If you can't spot the issues with this, then Etsy isn't for you, right? Again, you know, I'm going to show you some good examples of stores after I've just gone through the bad, so you will be able to see what good stores look like, right? But this is a terrible thumbnail. This just screams, I am dropshipping. This product is coming from China, right? So again, wow. They've just gone on AliExpress. They've copied the pictures the supplier has. They put 6-blade portable mini juicer, right? There's no incentive. There's no sales psychology. There's no low quantity. There's no free delivery. There's no low in stock, right? And just these thumbnails are trash. Pink and Tunisian dark blue. Wow. Wow. Do you know what I mean? Like it's a 6-blade, but in here it's 6 knives. So it's a huge mess of a listing. Okay. Product information. Boom. Let's just go on AliExpress and copy what the supplier says. Paste it in. Jobs are good 'un. Right, jobs are good. And then you have to pay £5.83 for the privilege to get it from China. And then it's the same again on this listing, right? There's no optimization. It's just copy and paste. Guaranteed for craftsmanship and quality. Craftsmanship? It's an LCD measuring spoon, man. Jesus. You know, I can't. And then there's a store like this again. You see they're using these white backgrounds. They're using these pictures like this. It's had a few sales, but it's just not very good. Okay, and you can see that by, you know, their most popular product only has 3 in the basket. Okay, so if your store looks like any of these, please watch some of my other videos where I show you how to build a proper. Now just take a look at this, right? Look at the difference. Okay, you know, it's a very well established store. Look at these thumbnails, real life use cases, the photos clear as day. You can see what it is, you can see what you're going to get, you can see when I click this product, I know what's inside of it. It's custom, it says so I know when I get into this listing I will be able to change things to as what I want. Okay, so I know what I'm going to be getting. Like every single thumbnail here is just perfect, right? These ones are fantastic. How lovely is this, right? This is, you know, ones like this are normally a bit boring, but because you can see it's like on a slant, because it's on a, you know, in a photo frame with a bracket on the back, you can tell that. So it's like, oh wow, okay, I can see what this is before clicking it. You have to realize, right, when someone is searching for a product, you use keywords to get in front of them, to be in their searches, but your thumbnail is what makes them click. Okay, so please work on your thumbnails. Make sure your thumbnails are absolutely perfect. That is how you make money on Etsy. Okay, so look, this store does such a fantastic job of making sure that it's so you want to click. Oh wow, that dog looks really cute. I've got a dog like that. Oh, that would be so good for my dog. That'd be so good for my mum's dog. Oh, that'd be an amazing birthday present. Boom. Oh, that's so cute. Boom. You're in. And you can go, okay. Oh, that is really cute. And you can customize it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll get that for my mum. You see what I mean? Like, get that click, just get that visit, and then boom. But once you've got the visit, that's where all of this comes in handy, right? That's where you want to be getting the sales pitch over, where you want to be informing of the details. You want to have that nice description. You want a problem solved. You want to answer the questions. You want to have a nice quick shipping time. Because this one's custom, it's all custom printed, there's a bit of an extra shipping. But look, free delivery, dispatches from Canada. They've got the return window. They tell you exactly what it happens. And if you don't want to read, they explain it in the actual photos themselves. Right? They explain everything. Okay? And then boom, 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 boom. So easy, so clean, so well done. Okay? So now let's go on to this one. And look, they accurately know who they're targeting with each product. So this one is designed for mum. So the keywords are all related to be around mums. Right? Then in here, they reinforce that by talking about mum again. They get you in with the click because, come on, how cool is that? Right? From your mum's kids, like from you and your sisters, whatever, for your mum. And again, they show you what's done. They show you good examples of the product, how it works, how it operates. So they are getting so many orders every single day because they know how to get in front of people, how to get them to click, and how to sell in the listing. Okay? Now, again here, you know, ignore that. That's just a special order. But look at these thumbnails. You can clearly see what it is. And they do exactly what Premvi do, what Furlio do. They have multiple listings for the same product, but with slight tweaks. Okay? Like, look, all of these are the same product, but it's just different artwork on it. And this means now they can really drastically spread their net, cast a wide net, get as many fish in. And when I say fish, I mean sales. Okay? So they do a really fantastic job of that. Like, look at all of these. They're all the same product, right? But it just has different names, different animals on. Okay, and now each of these is now going to be hitting different people, potentially getting in front of them, getting those visits, right? You know, okay, I have a good thumbnail, so that's going to get the visit. I have a good sales pitch in the listing, so I'm going to be getting sales. Okay, so let's take a look. You know, the only thing that they could be adding is the sales psychology, have a discount, get the free shipping going, right? You know, so it's that's why it doesn't say free shipping, because they use a strategy I talk about in our Discord. So, you know, if your store looks like any of the ones I was showing earlier, please change it. Please use these as your example. Remember though, to have a successful Etsy store, you need to be selling products that are in demand, that are not too saturated. So I have done videos on finding those, but I just want to make sure you guys, when you actually know what you want to sell, you set it up right. And that's what this video is for. So I hope this was able to help you in some way. I know a lot of people, I see a lot of stores that are like the first ones, and I just want to make sure you guys don't make those mistakes. Okay? So have a wonderful weekend, great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.